Let us prepare super creamy and tasty chana masala. This goes well with chapati, puri and hot steamed white rice.
Super. Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a pressure cooker, take 1 cup white chana, add half liter water, 1 tablespoon rock salt and pressure cook this for 7 to 8 whistles. I have soaked white chana for 8 to 10 hours overnight. Once the whistle subsides, check if chana is cooked well. Try mashing them between fingers to see if they are boiled. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons oil. Add fennel seeds, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf and cardamom. Add 1 slit green chili and fry this well. Add 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry this well. Puree 3 tomatoes and 10 soaked cashews together into a fine paste and add it to the kadai. Add salt as needed, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 heaped tablespoon chili powder. I have used Kashmiri red chili powder that adds color to the gravy. Once you see it boil, add cumin powder, coriander powder and chana masala powder. Once the oil separates, add the boiled chana. Mix this well together and add water as per the consistency you need for the gravy. The ground cashews in the puree adds extra creaminess to this gravy. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon garam masala and garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Super creamy and tasty chana masala is ready. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.